Hello, lovelies.
And welcome to Opposite Day.
It's kind of opposite day. Try to figure it out. What's different?
Don't hard run it too long. Let's go on.
And
so today we are...
Happy Pride. This is RuPaul. Yes. So today we're going to do an unbagging, unboxing, because I'm off the yarn diet because I couldn't stay on it. So
never stays on for long.
No, but at least I make the attempt. Anyway, so the first... These are the boring ones. We'll open those first. These are just a couple bags from, oh yeah, hey, don't cut my yarn. She's the cutter.
This is not a great knife if you couldn't tell.
You can uncut this one, or cut that one.
Uncut it.
Is it? It's not possible to uncut. All right, so this is just a few things from Lion brand. I mean, from
Don't mind. Really don't
oh, these
mind.
are from Lion brand. Okay. Oh, okay, I did. And this is, put it with the light. I don't know if you could see the sparkles through the plastic. This is
nice.
Sparkly rainbow,
I like
right?
it.
And what you do is you give the specs. It's a 3-weight, 328 yards or 300 meters. The name of this is Serpens.
Serpens.
Serpens. We have a bag
Because it
here.
only just serpens.
It's Serpens. These are very boring, but I do love Shawl on the Ball, and I grabbed, I guess,
It's like neutral color sparkly.
yeah,
Not boring.
and
nice.
it's a 3-weight, I believe. This is cleaning quartz, and I believe they're 3 weights. We won't go into all the other stuff. You guys all know about. You all know the stuff for that.
You knows it.
You know it already. And this one, oh, look at that. These are all the same yarns, but they're wound in a manner where they look like 3 different.
So these colors are these
all of
colors
them.
are at each of these. Oh, that's cool.
Exactly.
So you get to.
Yeah.
That's a nice way to package it. So you get to see.
Yeah, you get to see the
everything.
different colors. So now that I showed her, I'll show you. I'm trying to. The sun's over here, and the color on these are moonstone.
Moonstone. I
that.
like it.
I'll have to make something for you out of
Yeah.
that, being it's moonstone.
Maybe something I can put a moonstone in.
Okay, so that was Lion brand. Well, since we're on Lion brand, this
Shell
box.
knife.
Okay,
With the worst knife
that
I've
was the
ever
first
grabbed.
ordered, and then they gave me a email with, if you buy a certain yarn, you get the free cup. And Ola Joe had the cup, so you had to buy 1 or 2 of the yarns to get the cup. Invoice, we're not interested. And so I just grabbed the 2 Color Theory 2 of Wands. What the heck's that saying? Essential Spectrum?
Yeah.
Essential Spectrum. You were sitting a little farther from the camera. And they're, I don't know
Because
if the color's
reasons.
true, because of reasons. They're a purple, which makes sense. But I only ordered those because I wanted this for free. And Ola Joe has it in a giveaway. It's a cup, you know, a to-go cup, but it tells you, like, if it's a hat, scarf, all the different things, how many yards of each thickness of yarn.
Is that actually built into the cup so that stays
in the cup? Yeah. So for those of you, I know she didn't know this, that's what I'm saying, but it tells you on the cup itself, and then it has like if it's a 1-weight, you want to make a hat, you need that many yards, so on and so forth, all the way to a 7-weight. So I just really always wanted this, and I did enter Ola Joe's the Crocheting Sailors giveaway, but I don't think I'll win, so I just ordered it because that's why. Well, I got this free for ordering those 2 things of yarn. So that's that. So then next, Joanns, and I have boycotted Joanns for a while.
With the world's dullest knife. This will have to go into the. This one's been in the garage for a while, so it seems as if
You probably should sharpen it.
the like tip is all bent.
Oh yeah. All right, now these aren't yarn, I don't think. These aren't yarn, but these are all, being that it's Pride Month, and we're very Pride people. You can open this box because that's hurry up, stop drinking on the job. She's drinking on the job, dude. That, you know.
It's water with some orange bitters in it.
All right, so what
like
these are, I don't know if you can see the glitter and the glitz through the plastic. This is mesh rainbow ribbon, one together, and 30 feet in each of these. And yeah, we're
Well,
going
I
to
need
make
to put some of
something
that around here.
fabulous out of that.
Why does the box have to have bags in it?
Oh, there's bags in the box.
Seems like a waste.
As long as it's not Brad Pitt's little wife's tiny head.
No, you can fit her whole head in here.
You could probably fit most of her body in there.
For people that don't get the reference.
Oh my gosh, look at that. Was stuck there. And what did I order?
Yeah, they like super taped the box, like
Yeah.
annoyingly.
I
Make
know,
sure you're
you're
paying
super-
attention when you're grabbing for me.
Yeah, I
with a
know,
fork and
right?
knife, please.
All right, so here's another one of that. So I ordered a few of them.
Ooh.
Actually, I'm just going to throw them back in the box. Makes my life easier. Throw them in the box! Okay, and I ordered a bunch of one. All right, that's
I'm gonna
one,
take these two out because this is
two,
what we've got.
3,
More of these are in here.
4, 5, 6. I ordered 6 of these, and it says "Be." Well, you know, let's just open it and show you.
just open it and show
It says "Be true to you," and we always encourage that. In fact, I just
Be
did the
true,
video.
be you. You're beautiful.
I did do a Pride giveaway, which I just dropped. Well, probably not from you know, before you guys are seeing it. The dog.
Dog is just like
Dougal is, yeah, he's just loving it out here.
he's soaking up the sun.
All right, so this is, oh, this is really cool. I didn't know what it was.
Oh, nice.
So it's a Pride ribbon, which I'm thinking in that giveaway I might just drop one of these in there. Yeah. Be true to you. Absolutely.
Well, you can tie that around something. You can
Yeah,
wear
it's
it.
a
It could
sash.
be an actual
You could
sash
do
for
like a-
winning.
Sashing. You could sashay with your sash.
Sash.
We got those. And now here, I'm going to come up close and personal. And hopefully we can get our faces out of it so it focuses, because I can't see from here. These are Pride ribbons. And there's a lot of them.
Okay, I don't care that she's opening things. I just found this.
Yes, I did buy that. I did purchase that. That wasn't on sale. Well, I purchased all of it, obviously, but that
I'm
was
getting
not.
pretty good at the.
That was not on sale.
It's okay, Ham. That
And
was
this
the
one
mama
is ribbon
with her fabulous
with the
nose.
rainbow. And I got a bunch of those. Couple more. I know, I apologize. I just bought a whole lot of the same ones. This is a thicker, wider ribbon, but it's kind of like a cool, like almost an acrylic pour type of a look of the Pride. And there's 4 of them in there. But we're going to be making a lot of stuff with ribbons because I did kind of buy a lot.
Yes, you did. Oh, that's a cool one.
Yes, I thought that was cool. I'm not saying how many yards are on them because I don't want this to be forever and who cares. We can make ribbons out. It's probably the same. Oh, no, this is a different one. All right, so this
I've been
one.
trying to grab the different ones from
Yeah,
here.
do that. That'd be great. This one here has the trans flag, and then the Pride flag, and
It looks like it goes through a bunch of them.
it goes through all the flags. I would open one up and unroll it, but I'm too lazy. But it has all the flags, the gender flags.
Oh yeah, because
on the ribbon.
here's it started at another point.
Okay, yeah. So you see all the different. Well, that was smart that they did that for us. How nice of them.
Sure,
Thank
that
you.
was accidental
Yeah.
to just where it ended on one machine
No,
and the
'cause-
next, but we
yeah.
can
'Cause I've been boycotting this store.
get that one.
And then I do have I had a bunch of these from last year, and I purchased a few more because I've been using these for straps for rainbow pocketbooks. So is that it? Oh, and this one here. This was really pretty. It's I know, a box of ribbons. What are we going to do with all these ribbons? But this is actually cut out hearts that are attached, just like you used to do paper dolls. And it has all the rainbow colors.
I guess I'm gonna start tying ribbon around everything.
So we're gonna have, yeah.
like
So that was
ribbons hanging
it.
over everything.
That's
So
a
I'm just
box.
gonna kind of do this for
Yeah.
you to get an understanding. This is a giant box.
This is a very big box.
and it's very, very ribbon.
There's a lot of ribbons
It's
in
been
there.
ribbon.
And I don't know what I'm doing with them.
Well,
all.
if you have any fun ribbon projects,
Yes.
feel free to drop them below.
Let us know, because I have no idea. I just impulsively
the
bought
last like
those.
3 ribbons I bought, like one I wore as like a headband for a little while. I haven't used that ribbon for anything, so
Yeah.
I can't think of crafts we do ribbon with.
I don't
we
know.
could tie bows.
I don't know what we could do with all this.
A bunch of these are going to be tied around me in random places. That's for sure.
Yeah, we could.
Around your top hats
Yeah.
would be nice.
Yeah, but how many? We only have like a couple top hats.
Oh, there's way more than what we needed.
No, we have a lot of stuff. I bought a
if
lot of
there's
ribbon.
one
there.
thing we know about
It was on sale.
this one over here.
Yeah.
A great way to explain the story is years and years and years and years ago, in the beginning of our crafting together, more as an adult business style. We've been crafting together since I was a child, obviously.
Yeah.
But crafting in the means of wanting to make stuff, to make money, to help support things, and also support us making more stuff to make more money to help support things. I needed something where my fingers were free and kept my arms warm for the winter. And she comes here with like a bag full, but like a Stop and Shop bag, like a little grocery store Stop and Shop bag with like, here's a few different options, a few different lengths, try them on, figure out which ones you like.
They call them fingerless gloves. I created that.
Yeah, we call them warmies.
Forever. We call them warmies, yeah.
But yeah, so then she goes back up here, which was home at the time, and I lived in Connecticut, and she's like, I was like, yeah, make some more, it seems like it'd be a cool thing. I learned in that moment that my more and her more weren't just a little bit different.
No, I'm much
my
more
was make another plastic bag full and let's bring them to our next fair and see how they sell. Her more was I'm going to crochet nonstop for
weeks
and weeks and weeks and fill, was it 3 totes?
I had a lot of
totes. There was just totes. Well, because there was also the foot ones you were making.
I made foozies too.
Totes and totes of these things.
Yeah, and then the kerchiefs.
You're better now. You get bored of projects sooner.
I do. Well,
so
I can crochet better. I can follow. Now I still can't follow patterns, but I can crochet more stitches.
I'm very intrigued with this stuff.
So yeah, crack it open. I know, it looked so good. Nice. Oh yeah, we could put that on clothing. I see that like on a skirt.
Yes.
Oh, good. It makes a band-aid if you hurt your face. Hey, we're almost 13. We're 12 and a half minutes.
Sweet.
All right, we're going to close with that beautiful...
Probably a good time to close.
Look.
I'm like that fabulous version of that Twilight Zone episode where they all have the masks on and then they take the masks off and they look like...
like they did.
Yeah, they're like, oh, she's so ugly, and then she takes the mask off and she's like really beautiful, and then you turn around and everybody else is like pig people.
That was Beauty in the Eye of the Beholder. Yeah.
Anywho.
Hey, we love you guys. Be well, be happy, be you, and